Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone screen not responding properly after update iOS 17.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method number 1. Disable 3D touch. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, swipe up, tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap on touch. On the touch page, tap on 3D touch and haptic. Disable 3D touch. Method number 2. Check for iOS update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, swipe up, tap on general. On the general page, tap software update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Method number 3. Clean the screen. Gentle wipe the screen with a soft cloth to remove dirt, dust or moisture. Method number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, swipe up, tap on general. On the general page, swipe up, tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.